Support at Builderall has always been excellent. In fact, it's one of our highlights. Those of you who already use the platform know that you can contact our support 24/7 and you will be answered. Customer support is a department within our company that receives the most attention and care. We know the importance of this department to our users, and we go through great lengths to make this better every day. Support tools available on the market today no longer offer Builderall the excellence that we need and require to serve you. Either the tools are missing features we need, or simply they're not safe and reliable for our standards. No tools available today offer the level of quality that we want to offer our customers. And that is why with Builderall 5.0, we also launched our own support tool developed with all the features and power that Builderall needs to serve its more than 500,000 users the best support and system in the industry. We take this so seriously that we are the only digital marketing platform that has developed its own support system to better serve our customers.